This is our Ganesh GT44240. It was purchased used, but it was supplied by Expand Machinery. As you can see here, we're machining a fabricated roll. So this is a 72-inch long drum that is 24 inches in diameter, and the material is about a half to 3/4 inch thick. We fabricate this with a piece of billet bar stock and some end plates, and we weld it together. And then he machines everything concentric. And then with the live tooling, we're able to machine everything in the plane here, and then come in and spot drill all of these slots in here for the segments that get bolted to this roll. It's a single roll crusher that Williams Crusher manufactures, and it's a repair part. Here you can see a rough forging that we received from the foundry, and this forging that's like this right here is machined into a very large finished shaft like you see here in that GT44240, and everything's done in one setup. All the diameters of the shaft and then the keyway is machined with that live tooling as well.